Yun na nga, true enough, nahirapan kami ni Anding umalis. Hi mga Zoos! I am going to the gym.
I wanna go gym too.
Dito lang sa...
I wanna gym.
Ayan, sa Eruption Hotel.
I wanna gym too.
Magti-treadmill ako.
And then,
On mo yan, dalawang red. Yan, isa. Yan mo na. And then sa treadmill. Inoon na ni Daddy. And then yung dito sa treadmill, Daddy, in front of you. Yan, that's it. Since Sabado ngayon, mga Zoobs, walang pasok ang mga bata, hindi kami makapag-gym ni Andy ng together. So, inisip namin na dito na kami mag-gym sa Eruption Hotel. Ready na ako. Oy, alis na kayo dyan. Mag-workout muna si Mami. Mag-treadmill muna ako ngayon. Kasi, I did back, legs, arms. Dapat shoulders ako today. Shoulders and, cardio. 30 minutes cardio. Magsi-stretching muna ako. Kasi it's important to do stretching.
alright, so at the Eruption Hotel, they're out at the moment because they have something for Legend School, but Mimi badly wanted to go for a swim. So she's got the pool solo to herself. This is actually a heated pool, guys. That's what's good. It's quite warm, and it takes just, I think they said 2 hours to get it warm. But Mimi loves it, and she loves the flowers. And Aaliyah is about to head off with Mima. She's around the corner there. They're going to dance lesson today. But I'm gonna sit here, Mona, do some editing, get some videos out while we wait for the car.
It's so quiet. I don't know what it means.
Date night.
Walang bata. Ngayon kasi, di ba Sabado, sabi ko sa inyo, so I asked Kima na magpunta dito sa bahay nila Rona para sunduin si Aaliyah kanina kasi dance class niya. Siya na yung naghatid kasi itong kotse namin kanina ay pina-service ni Andy. Ano na siya? 6 months na sa atin yung car.
6 months na ba? Yeah,
6 months na eh. Kaya kailangan daw.
6 months ulit. August daw.
Kasi
okay
August
naman.
natin nakuha yung car.
Grabe, 6 months.
Ayan, tinanggal ko na yung candy ko. Hinatid ni Ima si Aaliyah sa dance class. So, I asked her to stay longer kasi meron kaming dinner. Supposedly, ang sabi ko sa kanya, isasama ko sila sa dinner. Tapos yung mga bata, dali niya na lang sana sa Kidzuna. Kaso lang, parang ang hirap kasi mukhang hindi sasama si Mimi sa kanya dahil ang tagal siyang hindi nakita ni Mimi. Yun na nga, true enough, nahirapan kami ni Anding umalis. Buti na lang, nung sinabing magpa-park sila, yung maka pa pumabol kay Ima. Kaya hindi na namin sila sinama. Which is good. At least meron kaming date night ni Andy kahit papaano. Dahil buong linggo kaming, gym kasing ginagawa natin pag wala si Mimi. So,
but also we had that, we didn't show it because we were so hungry. We had like a little lunch party at the house with Klaus and with some of
may mga bata
Eric's
sa bahay
friends.
ng Eruption, daming bata. Nagdala sila sarili-sarili ng pagkain. Hindi nga ako masyadong kumain kasi nga may dinner kami ngayon.
Yeah, but I ate all the sugary stuff.
Anyway, may ka-dinner kami. Imi-meet namin siya from Bigo. Supporter ko siya sa Bigo. Matagal ko na siyang kilala but I haven't met him in person kasi taga-Canada siya. Siya yung mga unang-una kong supporter na talagang tumatambay sa live ko during pandemic. Tapos siya kasi nurse. So pag kunyari night shift shots, wala siyang ginagawa, nakatambay lang siya sa live namin, ganyan, mga multi-live. So ngayon, umuwi siya ng Pilipinas for only 2 weeks. Dumating siya ng Thursday at ngayon lang siya may time para makipag-meet sa amin. So kasama ko si si Curty, tapos si Kuya Easy yung galing ng Australia, yung na-vlog namin last week. Magbi-meet din sila in person for the first time. Kaya ang saya kasi parang mini reunion namin. Sila yung mga tumatambay talaga sa live ko na magkakasama kami palagi. Ayun, so dito lang kami sa UP Town Center kasi they only live in Cubao. Si Curty naman Manila, tapos kami nasa area ng UP Town. So ano na siya, gitna. Though wala silang ibang option kasi gusto ko talaga UP Town lang kasi malapit sa amin. Para alam mo yun, madaling umuwi agad-agad. Ayun, katakas tayo kasi si Mimi habang kami paalis nasa park. Walang iyakang magaganap. Tsaka pagod na yun eh. Magdi-dinner na lang yun mamaya tapos matutulog na yun. And we are happy and lucky kasi nakapag-gym tayo in between, di ba Daddy? Kahit pa paano.
30-40 minutes.
Kasi nga this week talagang nag-workout na kami. Sinasagad namin yung time. And next week ulit, I'm looking forward na talagang magkaroon ng transformation sa body ko kasi lately I'm so bloated. Kahit na ang late na ng mukha ko, sa katawan ko hindi ko pa rin na-feel na okay. Kasi kaka-start ko lang. So everything is like namamaga. Parang ganun yung feeling ko kasi nga I'm lifting weights na. Is that right? I feel swollen.
I was looking at the car.
Oh, there's a dog.
Yep.
Crossing. So, eto na kami.
He's just gonna cross in front of that car.
Tapos dahan-dahan pa siyang
Wala
nagko-cross.
siyang pake.
This is his hood. Why not? Kung pwede ka lang magbukas ng showmaking dyan, tignan nyo guys. So, para dahan siya ng tricycle. Nga pala. Sila Jill today, nagpunta ng Batangas kasi naubusan tayo ng stocks ulit. Di naman naubusan. Paubos na. Hindi na siya abot ng Tuesday. So, they have a new car. Binrake in nila sa Batangas. Madala nila yung stocks. Galing, Jill. Thank you.
Oh, we already ran out?
Hindi aabot yung stocks for Tuesday. Sarado ang showmaking bukas. Kaya Saturday sila nag-order.
We're like selling out like crazy.
Kaya salamat sa mga taga Batangas dyan, San Juan. Nandyan kami next weekend. Abangan nyo kami dyan. Pupunta kami. Ayan, update ko kayo guys. Pa-U-turn na kami. And doon kami kakain sa favorite naming fat seed para healthy din. Kahit na si Andy kumain na siya ng maraming dessert.
Yeah, no. I wasn't supposed to, but it was so good.
Okay lang yun, Daddy. It's your fault. I want to drink coffee, but I don't want to risk it.
I'll drink coffee.
One at a time.
Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead.
So just like that, guys, we met more people from Bigo, and we've made so many good friends from Bigo for life, which is great. And it's nice just to meet them and hang out, have dinner, tell some stories, and actually get to know each other in person rather than just online. So thank you, Papa P and Kuya Easy, and of course Curdy, and everyone that came out. It was a really good night. Good to catch up, and hopefully we can catch you guys before you leave once again. But that's it for this vlog, so we'll see you tomorrow.